Can we find Uber driver's number in Uber? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can find Uber driver's number in Uber. So let's get started. So the first thing is you'll need to have the updated version of the app. After you do have the updated version, you can open it up. So let's open up our Uber, and after you open up your Uber, whenever you book a ride, you cannot actually find the number for your Uber driver, as you will only communicate using Uber itself. So after you book a ride and after you're on the ride on Uber, you will not be able to call them, or you will not be able to find the number, as Uber provides you with direct service where you can simply message your Uber driver. So you can simply message your Uber driver for location and stuff, so you do not basically need their phone number. And I hope this answers your question, guys, and that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye.